All right, 390 Wagon Master here with another patented Wagon Master unboxing. This thing's been around. All right. So let me see what this is off camera real quick. A shipping label. Well, that's interesting. Well, look at that. Nice. Okay. Well, Anytone's recycling boxes. That's cool. Environmentally friendly, I would say. All right, folks. So I forgot this was coming. So this is a Anytone AT-5000. I have wanted to play around with one of these for a while, and now I get the chance to. So that's pretty cool. Thanks, you guys. I appreciate that. Shout out to Anytone. So, I don't know. When they're open like this, and this has been ripped off, generally, in my past experience, these are like demo units, show-around units, stuff like that. This unit does have the certification tag on it. I've gotten stuff like this before with nothing, which is kind of interesting. So what we have here is this micro, well, I wouldn't say micro mini, but for a sideband, it's pretty dang small. When I look at these in pictures, they don't look this small, and I don't get out much, so I don't really get to see stuff like this in person very often. So here it is. It's got that, I believe this is like a color TFT screen. It's got the RJ45 connector. I do like the regular 6-pin mic connectors, 4 and 6-pin. I guess it would be sort of hard to fit that on here, but anyway. Cast aluminum chassis, and I'm not sure if this is a dual use. Sometimes these are external speaker and PA jacks. I see that they've countersunk down in there, so you could probably get most external speaker jacks in there. And let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, my alarms are going off. Hold on. Okay. So, yeah, I'm dog sitting tonight, guys. All right, so anyway, there it is. I've got the radio, the manual. Okay, all the mounting hardware, the microphonium, a mounting bracket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it through its paces. I'm going to familiarize myself with it. As you guys know on this channel, I just don't do radio reviews to do radio reviews. I actually use the product, and I use it quite a bit and put them into a rotation. For the most part, that's if I like them, and you'll see more videos as, you know, I get more fond of each rig. But I'm going to tell you right now, I did not think it was that small. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay. All right. Leave questions or comments down below. Do you have one? How do you like it? Is it easy to use? Is it hard to use? How's the receive? What do you think the receiver's like? Because as you guys know with me, receive is the big thing. So, all right. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Cheers.